So let us do the physical inventory. Create single PI document. I will use a single PI document, GKP1. Okay, location RM11, physical inventory number. So not GKP1, GP01, RM11, and we'll give the material. Our material. Okay, one location only I'm going to do that. So only one material. Click on post. So physical inventory document is created. So once the physical inventory document is created, we can print the physical inventory document. The number has come. You can give the document number, plant, location. Click on execute. I will give LOCL. Oh, I think here LOCL is not there. You have to give LOCAL. LP01. Print preview. So this is the way how the document will come. This is similar like ECC. Document has come. Now I'm going to do the enter count. Before enter count, I want to check my stock in GP01 RM11, where I'm doing the counting. So I have 80 quantity available. So I'm going to do the enter count. This is my document, 25. You can see the look, everything similar like our ECC. Okay, only that we are doing a query here. So quantity, let's take it 80 quantity, but I'm going to give 81. I want to give one quantity as a profit. If you have found zero stock, you have to click on the zero count. Otherwise, you have to give the actual count. Then click on post. Count is entered. Create physical inventory document. Print the document. Enter count. So if you want to make any changes, you can do this. Okay. Change inventory count. For example, I want to change the count. Then 81 to I will change to 82 to profit. Still we can do that one. This is our MA04, MA05, those kind of things. Now we are going to have a manage physical count, manage physical inventory, create. We can see this manage documents. Manage physical inventory document. We can see here in the ID system when you're managing, when you're trying to see certain reports, it is taking some time to load it. Change count. Monitor. I believe the post physical inventory document was given to some other role. Okay, that's why we cannot see here. So it won't be like the warehouse manager and all will not post. Generally, it will be posted in finance. So for our testing purpose, we will use the MI20 and select and click on post difference. You can see here book quantity, counted quantity, difference is 2 liter. Post difference, click enter. The reason also we can give here. What is the reason we found that details, that also we can input. SAP standard, wrongly placed, poor quality, okay, wrongly placed in the storage. We found the new stock and save it. So there is no item category assigned to account. Okay, we got the similar kind of error. 283,000. 283,000. We'll go to document splitting. Inventory manage financial accounting. I believe we'll do one more time. We can go with error message wise. Yeah, classify GL accounts where it is general ledger accounting view, document splitting, classify INT. This also not maintained. So the GL account is 283. 283,000. Similar kind of error. Yeah, I hope this will be resolved now. Okay. So let us keep this screenshot as our error message we are fixing frequently. Put it here. Later I can update into the config. So now we are going to MI20, execute, post difference, click enter, reason is 001 and save. So document is posted. If you want to check the MB51, maybe we can use the Fury also. We have this option, right? Document overview. Warehouse processing. Yeah, material document overview. This is like our MB51. The only thing is the reports wise, it is taking time. So there are multiple documents are posted. We can search for our plant GP01. Even we can give our RM11, posting date 11/09/2025. And there is this document 552, just to see the different view compared to our MB51. See 701 physical inventory gain 2 later. This is the document overview, how we can check it. So go to accounting, the GL account details and all you can see here. Have in output management. So the gain GL account is showing what account it was hit. General information. This is the different view. Standard. So 2 letter was loaded on the export table. Accounting. Output management. No data. Yeah, all look good. This is the material document item. Click back. Process flow. You can see the process flow also here. Nice. This one is nice. Process flow. Material document is fully posted. This is physical inventory. And one material document, accounting document. If you click on accounting document, general analyzer, you can see that what general entries are posted. This is different from our Migo, so we can slowly analyze what all details we can see. Just to see that what kind of GL accounts are posted, how system is showing the process flow. I hope that will be giving you that how to understand. Before it gets loaded, we can see the document in Migo. Display 701 document info, FI document, accounting document. See the BSX stock got debit and GBB INV. Okay, physical inventory account gets a credit. So that's about the profit posting. When you do the profit posting, we have many other inventory movements. You also put in a comment. I will make another video about different kind of a goods movement. The overall we have posted different things, and 2 good things we learned about the profit center group creation and related issues we sorted and we created, and the document splitting related missing configuration from FI that also made some issue, that also we fixed it. 2 good learnings, and reminding all our known postings, how we posted and how the accounting entries have come. I hope you learned good things in this video, and if you have any other kind of processes you wanted to know in inventory management, please put in a comment. So definitely I will consider as one more video for inventory management. So yeah, now this general ledger related data come. Yeah, just now what we have seen, the same thing. GL account, inventory differences credit, stock account debit. Thanks again. And if you are watching this video on Udemy, please provide your valuable rating on Udemy. If you are watching on YouTube, please share the video with your circle. Thank you.